In preparation for a picnic, Kelsey made a salad with 2 1/10 bags of iceberg lettuce and 1 3/10 bags of romaine lettuce. How many bags of lettuce did Kelsey use in all? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to combine these 2 bags of lettuces by adding them. So I'm going to add 2 1/10 plus 1 3/10. Now, there's a little trick. If you've watched my videos, you'll notice that whenever I do these, I want to turn them into improper fractions. But I'm not going to do that here because I notice that I have 2 mixed numbers where the denominators and the fractions are exactly the same. And since I'm adding, life is going to be easy here. So what I know is I have 2 whole bags of iceberg lettuce and I have 1 whole bag of romaine lettuce. 2 plus 1 is 3. So my whole number remains 3. Now, the parts of the bags of lettuce that I have left over are 1/10 and 3/10. So I'm going to go off to the side here, and I'm going to think 1/10 plus 3/10. Now, when adding fractions of the same denominator, add the numerators together. 1 plus 3 is 4. Keep the denominator exactly the same, 10. Now notice these are both even numbers, and I can divide them both by 2 to simplify my fraction. What happens is 4 divided by 2 is 2, 10 divided by 2 is 5, and my fraction part becomes 2/5. So let's bring that over here. And I end up with 3 2/5. Now, since this is a word problem, I'm going to answer using words. How many bags of lettuce did Kelsey use in all? 3 2/5 bags of lettuce. And that's my answer.